Hello to everyone. Today is Tuesday, September 1st, 2020. The value is freedom. Okay, so let's go on. Vamos a escuchar primero nuestro video de la clase pasada como repaso. Ok, chicos, ¿listos? There we go.
If you're happy, 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 clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands, clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands. If you're angry, 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 stomp your feet. If you're angry, 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 stomp your feet. If you're angry, 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 stomp your feet, stomp your feet. If you're angry, 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 stomp your feet. If you're scared, 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 say, oh no.
Oh no!
If you're scared, 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 say, oh no.
Oh no!
If you're scared, 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 say, oh no, say, oh no. If you're scared, 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 say, oh no.
Oh no!
If you're sleepy, 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 take a nap. If you're sleepy, 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 take a nap. If you're sleepy, 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 take a nap, take a nap. If you're sleepy, 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 take a nap. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands, clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands.
Great.
The
Very good
ducks
job.
on the farm say,
Let's go on. Okay. Now, parts of the house. What do you remember about the house? ¿Se acuerdan que esto lo estuvimos trabajando en el ciclo escolar pasado? Bueno, vamos a hacer un repaso rápido. ¿Qué partes tenemos en la casa? ¿Te acuerdas? We got the roof, the window, a balcony, the door, the letterbox, the patio, the driveway, the cars, the garage, and the complete house. So let's see another video talking us about the parts of the house and remember us all that we need to know.
English Sing. House. This is my house. 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 There are roofs, windows, and a door. The roof is red. Roof. Roof. There are many windows in my house. Window. Window. The door is large. Door. Door. Look, there is a beautiful garden. 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 The car is parked in the garage. 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 This is the living room. Living room. Living room. There are television, sofas, and a bookshelf. There's a soft carpet on the floor. Carpet. Carpet. Sofa. Sofa. Bookshelf. Bookshelf. Television. Television. This is the kitchen. 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 There are a stove, a refrigerator, and a table. There are dishes, spoons, forks, and knives on the table. refrigerator, refrigerator, dish, dish, spoon, spoon, fork, fork, knife, knife. This is the bathroom, bathroom, bathroom. There are a tub, a toilet, and a sink. There are some soap and towels too. Toilet, toilet, tub, tub, sink, sink, soap, soap, towel, towel. This is my bedroom, bedroom, bedroom. There are a bed, a blanket, and a pillow. Bed, bed, blanket, blanket, pillow, pillow. Review. House, roof, window, door, garden, garage, living room, carpet, sofa, bookshelf, television, kitchen, stove, refrigerator, dish, spoon, fork, knife, bathroom, toilet, tub, sink, soap, towel, bedroom, bed, blanket, pillow.
Great. Excellent, kids. So let's continue to the activities that you have to develop. Furniture. Tenemos aquí una imagen con diferentes muebles. Trata de mencionar tantos como recuerdes. ¿Listo? Good. Excellent. When you finish this, you're going to make your first activity. This and says, around the house, cut and paste. You have to put in the correct places of the house the following furniture. We got stove and frying pan in the kitchen, bed in the bedroom, sofa in the living room, toothpaste and toilet in the bathroom. Remember to color it. When you finish, glue it in your notebook and send me your evidences. Then you have to do the crossword. Vas a hacer un crucigrama con las palabras que tienes aquí marcadas. Por favor, ten cuidado cuando escribas. Cuida que cada letra ocupe un cuadro. Cuando termines, de igual manera, pégalo en tu libreta, saca una foto y mándamelo por 1000 aulas. That would be everything for today. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.